Let's talk good food. Here is a wonderful Mediterranean salmon with chickpeas, spinach, and tomatoes recipe. Serves 2, prep plus cook time, about 30 minutes. Style, heart-healthy Mediterranean. Ingredients, 2 salmon fillets, about 5 to 6 ounces each. 1 can chickpeas, 15 ounces, drained and rinsed. 3 cups fresh spinach. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Half a teaspoon paprika. Salt and black pepper to taste. Juice of half a lemon. Optional garnish, fresh parsley or basil. How to cook, step by step. Step 1. Prepare the salmon. Pat the salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. Season both sides with salt, black pepper, paprika, and oregano. Drizzle lightly with olive oil and set aside at room temperature for 5 minutes. Step 2. Cook the chickpeas. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat, add minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add chickpeas and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until lightly golden. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Remove chickpeas from the skillet and set aside. Step 3. Sear the salmon. In the same skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Place salmon fillets skin side down. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes without moving until the skin is crispy. Flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until just cooked through. Remove salmon and set aside. Step 4. Sauté vegetables. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet. Add cherry tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add spinach and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring until wilted. Stir the cooked chickpeas back into the skillet. Squeeze lemon juice over the mixture and gently toss. Step 5. Assemble and serve. Plate the chickpea, spinach, and tomato mixture. Place salmon fillets on top. Garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Serve warm with optional whole grain bread or quinoa. Weight loss, low carb, or high protein. Health benefits of each ingredient. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. High-quality protein for muscle repair and satiety. Excellent source of vitamin D and B vitamins for brain and immune health. Chickpeas. High in plant-based protein and fiber, aiding digestion and blood sugar control. Supports heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol. Provides iron, magnesium, and folate. Spinach. Packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. High in vitamin K, supporting bone health. Contains iron and folate for healthy blood function. Tomatoes. Rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced heart disease risk. Supports skin health and immune function. High in vitamin C and potassium. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship.